The southwest is the most peaceful region. I remember the southwest is the most peaceful zone in Nigeria. However, because it be not southwest, you only the largest concentration of wealth.
That's true.
In Nigeria. So criminals are bound to come.
Okay.
But I bound to Fulani.
That's true.
Because àwọn Yorùbá wà ń ta wọn àwọn Yorùbá lókè ọjà wọn wà ń lo èbò bàbá ti attack àwọn Fúlàní tó dogun fún wa lókè lọ́hùn wàhálà. Secondly, wàhálà táwọn Fúlàní fa àwọn gómìnà wọn ló fà and I'll tell you why. Àwọn mọ́là tó ń kó màlúù wá mo ti sọ lẹ́yìn gbangba nobody has challenged me as a matter of fact ẹnìkan ṣe ìjáde lánàá láti support mo ní à ń jẹ màlúù àwọn Haúsá tẹ́lẹ̀ màlúù tá à ń jẹ tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ̀la dúdú báyìí it's not as whatever. Our brothers specific from Argentina. In the western region of our ranch, there was a ranch in Okeako in Ekiti State. There was a ranch in Akun in Ondo State. Now, there is a dairy farm in Ekiti. I just know call your second. The first thing I would have come. At that time, once Malu once in lay every time. In fact, to know how big a man was, once a year Malu in the south. And then by the call for around unfortunately, our màlúù yẹn ti tán. They are extinct. And since 1999, I've been pleading with our governments, state governments and so on. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe ranch because it's the height of productivity. Láti gbé màlúù wá láti Sókótó wá sí Kótó dẹ́kun àti gbẹ. Oríṣiríṣi àìsàn ti wọ̀ àti gbé àjẹun lọ́nà oko olóko ló máa bọ́ ni. Èèyàn tó ń da ẹran tí ò rí ìyàwó ẹ̀ lóṣù méjì mẹ́ta á kọ̀ ní ìjọba. Now because of castle rustler, àwọn kan náà ń jí cattle again. It has to be armed. So we have to be honest and sincere. But how do people take care of this? We used to talk of Obudu cattle ranch, which is Obudu Holiday Resort. That was by 1951, Obudu cattle ranch. Amadu Bello government had the ranch in Mokwa, now Niger State. So that was first under the colonial regime. But over the years, they never take up the past. All those ranches are gone. So anybody must suffer people. Anybody to pass the time I will somehow come and do from time immemorial is talking rubbish. Second, Mozambique, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Botswana, and Kenya. One will be at Rwanda, one will be on down in Fulani. When they die alone, for each of these countries want to modernize and cannot. Botswana is the most successful. Botswana has a population of 1.2 million. You can Google. It has a cattle population of 2.8 million. More than double. More than the population. Man yìí around Ondo Bisi Ogunjobi. He almost became the president of the African Development Bank. He was vice president. Man ló help Botswana láti gba loan to build the largest ranch in Botswana.
Jesus Christ.
In Botswana today, every cow has a tracker.
Animal.
Tí bá strain to Lesotho àbí South Africa, wọ́n mọ̀ mi tó wà. Now, we don't need to go all that and fight. The Southwest consumes 10,000 heads of cattle every day. Manu Dange, 10,000. Lagos alone is over 6,000 per day.
Yes, now.
Mo wá ń bẹ àwọn gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì wọn wá. Particularly Ọ̀ṣun nígbà kan ní wàhálà wa ti ẹ wá. Tẹ bá ní 10,000 10 supply every day. You don't need to talk of money from Abuja. Tọ́ bá jẹ́ ṣe dín Nàìjíríà àbí Ṣílò, wọ́n ló máa tóbi 20,000. Ọjọ́. In 2014, Jonathan sent some young people to Botswana to learn ranching. Okay, it's called from Ochun. His name is Bode Adetoyi. Now, Ompada. That year, government gave out 100 billion for ranching. And state government put them.
Kaya.
Now, the young man has a ranch, Kekere ranch, from Kekere no promotion thing.
Yes, sir.
He has about 600 cows. When you go and you fat.
Big cow, 500 kg.
Can't follow.
500, 700.
So, most of the land don't cook up to India. If you are ready to know where we are coming from, it's not, oh, I want fly, no, that's not the issue. The issue is Tabanyo Kowa, Tani ranches. And our government can then make a law. Nobody can bring cows to the southwest. But insane, 10,000 people every day. And my economy not bad.
Yes.
That's economic going out.
That is something that we must realize. Number one. How do we modernize our system? Time money alive. Then we will then go and our own Fulani won't kidnap. Yes, but our Fulani don't kidnap the southwest. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
as she study on give it 30%. Including those who are faking it, don't kidnap around. Number two, it took a Buruju tag in song. Ritual killing. I want one. Ṣé àwọn kidnapper jẹ máa gbé yàn wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ ransom? Àwọn ní ritual killing wọ́n á pààyàn láti mú body parts láti lọ. Ìyẹn lọ lọ́wọ́. Ṣé n follow me? So we need to know all this. Kó má kàn di pé àwọn Fúlàní ní ẹ̀wọ̀n gbógun dé o. It tells our government ẹ wá sọ yẹn. It means àwọn kan invade one time so our government can sleep. Ṣé n follow?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sir.